Hi and welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please like, share and comments are much appreciated and always answered. And if you haven't done so, please subscribe to my channel. It'll help my channel grow. Today we're taking a look at the TMC January sale. This is part 1. And we're looking at these 2 wagons that I got. There's the numbers there. E87000, and that's been expertly weathered that I asked for by the model centre. I asked for medium weathering. And the other one is E87003, and that comes from the factory and it's meant to be light weathered. So I'll get them out of their boxes and we'll take a little look. And this is the EFE rail, and it's the 003, which is lightly weathered by the factory itself. You get this little bag with these little coupling things. I like chains basically. Not sure where you fit them. And here's a wagon. I just wish my phone would focus in close up. These are JIA wagons, and they are NACO, and it's the Emery ones. I think they're actually China clay, these wagons. Yeah, see, you can read all the writing. This is factory weathered. And I paid 38.36 plus VAT for this one. In fact, that might be including VAT. So let me add it up. In fact, it was $38.36 including VAT I paid for this. I'll put it on the track, then I'll get the custom weathered one I got TMC to do for me. Thank you. Again, this came with the little bag of, in fact, I think it might be pipes and the couplers. That's what it is. There's 2 pipes and there's 2 couplers. And this cost me $35.96 including VAT. And then I got them to medium weather this, and that was an extra £12. So it cost me $47.96 altogether. Wish this phone would focus. Might have to put my flash on. That's a bit better now. These don't come with sprung buffers at all on them. See, this is medium weathered. By the model centre. Right, I'll just put it on the track next to the other one. So this one is the factory weathered one. And this is the TMC weathered one. Let's put my flash on again. The smooth runners. Okay, I'll end this video here and say thank you very much for watching my video. And as I asked before, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. like, comment, and share. And hope to see you in my next video. So everyone take care and bye for now.